You usually double-click an MSI to install a program, but did you know you can unpack it like a zip file to get the files out without actually installing the program? I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the command. Just so you know, the key to the final solution is understanding how to leverage a dedicated high-value MSI file inspection utility that offers versatile support for countless formats. The MSI file extension denotes a Windows installer package used for installing, maintaining, and removing software on Windows operating systems. MSI files contain all the necessary information and files required for the installation process, including program files, registry entries, and shortcuts. They are a standard format for software distribution on Windows platforms, ensuring consistent and reliable installations. MSI files are structured as a database containing tables that define the installation process. These tables specify the files to be installed, the registry keys to be created, and the actions to be performed during installation. The Windows Installer Service interprets the MSI file and executes the installation according to the defined rules. MSI files can also include custom actions, allowing developers to extend the installation process with their own code. The MSI format operates under the official standards set by Windows Installer from Microsoft Corporation. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows shows minimal information, so safe handling relies on trusted environments. The initial action is crucial. Right-click your MSI file and select Open With. Use Windows Installer if it's installed. It's the best candidate. If not, cycle through the remaining options until one works. When your MSI file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This is a truly stubborn MSI file. To find the error's source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, use Windows Installer, double-click the MSI file to launch the Windows Installer utility and follow the installation steps. Next, check integrity. If the installation fails, run the installer from the command prompt with the I and LV parameters to generate a detailed log. Finally, extract contents. Use a robust archive utility like 7-zip to open the .msi file and manually extract the installation components. Failures with installed programs usually stem from MSI being a duplicate extension used by various unrelated software creators. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Skip the complexity. The one-click fix is File Magic. It's the fastest way to open your MSI file. Download it at filemagic.com. Thank you so much for your time. Your like and subscription make a real difference to the channel. That's the most efficient fix you'll find online.